Hello and welcome to another episode of Frightfully Forgotten Brews. Today we're going to feature Shining Canyon's Red MPA, Mars Pale Ale. For this one I used 3.5 kilograms of Red X Malt to try and make it red. It's kind of red, I guess.
Pretty red. It's as red as you can get.
Yeah, red like the planet. 1 ounce of Horizon hops for 60 minutes. And then 2.5 ounces Equinox for 0 minutes. And then another 2.5 ounces of Equinox. I waited a bit, stirred it, kind of let the temperature go down a bit, and then threw in the other 2.5 ounces. So, yeah, 5 ounces of Equinox, basically. So, yeah, it's quite strong.
Yeah.
It had to mellow out for a few weeks.
Yeah, it's quite hoppy. And what inspired the brew?
Red X, it just kind of, I was like, well, I'd like to get some Red X, and what the hell am I going to make with it? Well, red, Mars is red.
Yeah.
And then, so that kind of, Shining Canyon is Ghosts of Mars. So it kind of just fell into place like that. And the hops were actually for a different beer. Like, it kind of fit. So Horizon, you know, because you see like the ghosts or whatever in the movie. They're, you know, on the horizon a little bit and shit like that. And Equinox, I don't know, kind of whatever. Turned out 45 IBUs, and that's it. It's about 4.5%.
Yeah, it's kind of like almost an IPA, but not quite. Like not. It's almost hoppy enough to be an IPA.
It's pretty hoppy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
it's an MPA.
It's an MPA. Yeah. You can only drink it on Mars. So there you go. Shining Canyon's MPA.